Let's see what we can teach them. 5 stair.
Yes.
Ollie.
And not break any bones.
Yeah, I was gonna say, please do not fall.
Get down to the push-up position.
What's that push-up position?
Move! Let's go! Get down to the push-up position.
All right, guys, we're super excited today to be here with special guests from Mission Volant.
My name is Christian Myers, and I am the president of Mission Volant.
And what is it? Hold on, sorry.
Just
Tell me everything.
So Mission Volant is a 501c3 nonprofit organization. We use veteran adventure therapy to help introduce combat wounded veterans and veterans across the board to new communities and new challenges, primarily through aerial sports like skydiving and piloting lessons.
Amazing.
Cool stuff.
So when are we going to do the
Fun stuff.
piloting lessons and the skydiving?
Skydiving first. Yeah, we gotta.
First?
Yeah, we gotta throw you guys
He
out of
threw
an
me
airplane.
out of a plane last year.
Yeah.
I tried to go. My wife said she would divorce me. Leave it in the comments below. And then
My name is Dane Reynolds. I'm just here hanging out with Christian with Mission Volant. I utilized their services last year. I jumped out of a plane. It was a perfectly good plane. No reason to jump out of it, but get some adrenaline therapy, and it was awesome. Yeah.
My name's Adam Green. Been a lifelong friend of Christian here. Known him since high school. Went into the Army and then got linked up with him again and actually went through the ground school for getting my A license and just finished the B license. Yeah.
there's licenses for skydiving?
Yeah.
No wonder I can't go. Those are the A and a B? Oh, so like A means like you can go with somebody tandem or something?
So
With
you can
another
do
person?
tandems by pretty much yourself, or not by yourself, but with the instructor.
Okay.
And then your A license means that you can jump by yourself or with other A license / higher license holders.
Yeah.
And then B means that you can like jump into water, night jumps, stuff like that.
Jump into water. Okay.
Why not?
In the night.
In the
That's
night.
what we should
Night
do.
water.
Just straight into the ocean. I won't even hit the chute. I'll just boom. Aquaman. Okay, that's amazing. So is it scary?
First
No.
time.
No, it wasn't scary for me at all. It was great. It was one of my favorite things in life, and I'm looking forward to do it again.
Really?
Yeah, I'm really wanting to get licensed, so.
As an instructor, it's terrifying for me every time.
Yeah?
I don't know what the student on the front of me is going to do. Nigel? No, he wasn't at all. He was stone cold. Stone cold the whole time, yeah.
So the purpose of the nonprofit is tell me what that is.
So we use different fundraising services, primarily events. So in November 9th, we have our yearly event called Gravitas. What it is, it's a fundraising event. It allows anyone who wants to donate or help fundraise to go on a free tandem skydive or get a free intro to piloting lesson at the drop zone. They'll fundraise $350 and they'll get a free tandem skydive. Part of those funds go to cover a veteran learning how to skydive by themselves. And like Adam just talked about, he got out of the Army, didn't have a whole lot of community back in the local area where he felt super welcomed. And when he got involved with skydiving, he can tell you firsthand that now it's part of his life. And I'm sure Nigel can tell you the same thing.
Yeah.
I guarantee that he's
I
found that
found you
here.
guys. Yeah.
Yeah, and I guarantee he's found that here, right?
Yeah, definitely.
That like-mindedness, something that you guys share that's bigger than your person, you know, something
Yeah.
you guys share together, even though you have personal differences or
Yeah.
what have you.
I'm not gonna cry. You're crying. Okay, well I think we have some things for you. Nigel has
Yes.
some stuff for you.
So
we have some
I've been
special
waiting to announce
surprises.
this graphic. It's a special Veterans Day graphic, which a portion of the proceeds will be going to Mission Volant. But there is the new STS graphic, and this is going to each and every one of you guys.
Thank you very much, my
Wow,
friend.
man.
Thanks. Yeah, this is awesome.
My appreciation for you guys, and yeah,
Heck yeah.
These are awesome.
Thanks, man.
thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Hey, thank you, man.
I'm so excited for these to come out. I've been waiting for so long for these to drop. But I'm super excited to get back to something that, you know, I love so much, which is our military. Obviously, I'm a vet. You guys are all vets. We share a common bond. So this has been something that I've been wanting to do for a while. Oh, speaking of portion of the proceeds, I already took that out for what they bought.
Go, it's you.
Thank you very
That's
much.
that's all for you guys. That's for somebody's died,
amazing.
whatever. Anything that can help a vet.
Fantastic. Yeah, this is going to go directly towards, we have a few people who are learning how to skydive in November.
Sick.
So we'll make sure that this goes under Braille and STS directly to them.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you for what you do. Like it's really incredible.
Are you guys ready to learn how to some radical skateboard maneuvers?
Yeah. McTwist. Teach me.
So my first question is, who has ridden a skateboard? Okay, so you all have.
Yeah.
Give me like your one time I used to skate. Was able to kickflip.
I used to skate, and Nigel and I actually met at the skate
Yeah.
park when we were kids.
Yeah.
So you can do
It's
some
been a
tricks.
while, but yeah, I mean, Like tray flip.
Whoa, okay.
Previously. I don't know. It's been
I didn't
about
know if
10
we were
years.
like teaching ollies.
Now that dark flip or whatever.
I know,
it's
right?
called.
Yeah.
Dark side.
Yeah, see?
Let's see. So I'm born and raised in Santa Cruz. So I mean, I used to skate all the time when I was a little kid. But then I started doing tricks or trying to. Yeah. Broke way too many bones, and so I just stopped.
did?
Yeah.
What did you break?
I broke my wrist twice, both of them. Dislocated my shoulder. I chipped my shoulder blade. Broke my ankles twice. So I'm done. I gave it up when I was maybe, I don't know, 13, 14.
Yeah, I don't know why. I don't know why you
Yeah.
did that up. That was
It was
really
bad.
rough. Wow. Okay.
So
are you gonna learn a
skydiving
trick
is
today?
safer, huh?
Yeah. So that's why
Skydiving
skydiving
is safer than
safer.
skateboarding?
That's what it sounds like.
Yeah.
He's like, no. He's like, when it messes up, you break more than bones. You break the earth.
You make a big hole.
So I have skateboarded for about a year, probably 15 years ago, and even then it was mostly just to like, if my bicycle was broken, I was riding this to and from places. That's pretty much the extent of it.
All right.
Ollie.
Let's see what we can teach them. Tray flip the 5-stair.
Yes.
Ollie.
Get
And
back on.
Not break any bones.
yeah, I was gonna say, please do not fall. All right, let's get them some boards. Oh, let's go! Okay, I think that's what we go. There is kick flip. Shove it.
Shove it? Yes.
Oh God, I'm gonna die. This is gonna be awful.
No, you cannot start with I'm gonna die. You start with I got this, I got this.
Oh shoot.
Yeah!
Probably a shove it.
Sure. Let's.
Or get him rolling down the banks.
You wanna roll down the bank?
Yeah.
You went
Just know the warehouse has never been safer than this moment here with these people here. Just know that. He's already on it. Oh, they're ready. Okay. They're ready.
All right, let's go to the bank. Okay, do you need some instruction or do you just go?
Hell yeah, brother. That's enough instruction.
We don't know what he meant. Did he mean, hell yeah, instruction? Hell yeah, we go?
Instruction: skateboard down the ramp.
Skateboard down the ramp. I feel like you got this. I mean, you went up the ramp and turned. I'm scared. Bend your knees, bend your knees.
Hell yeah.
First try! Woo. You got it, you got it. Bend your knees, bend your knees.
Hell yeah.
So the key is you wanna keep your knees bent. Because
Oh, yeah.
if you're like this, then you're gonna like tumble over. The closer you are to the ground, the better. Should we go to the bigger ramp?
Oh, he's got to go down this one. Even though he, yeah.
You wanna do the big one? I don't know if you want instruction, you want help. Bend your knees. Make sure your knees are bent. Just roll in, and then if you need to jump off, just jump off.
Hell yeah.
Bail. 3 more tries.
3 more tries.
If you don't land it in 3 tries, I don't know what happens.
Then you have to do 10 push-ups.
Okay, I can't do 10 push-ups.
Well, I can't do a shove it, so it works out.
Oh my god!
Getting closer. There's 2. Close enough.
All right, go. Go. Hit me with the pain.
Get down to the push-up position.
What's that push-up position?
Move! Let's go! Move! Get down to the push-up position! Push! 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 How many are you doing? How many is that? What is your number? What is your number, guys? I can't hear you! 9, 10! 11! Is it 9, 10 or 9? That number sounds like 0! There you go.
I don't miss that.
I miss it! I need this in my life every day. I want to wake up like that. I do!
Motivation right there.
It is motivation.
You can do the shove it now. Oh, let's go!
Close enough.
Let's go!
Close.
One more try, and then I'm hitting the ramps. I'm out of here.
Oh no, no! No, he's getting cocky. This is when you gotta take a break. He's broken. You're good.
As the king of kickflips, I would love to see this go down.
Okay, so the kickflip. I feel like you don't really need instruction. I feel like you already have it. You just need to land it.
Yeah.
But give it one try, and then I'll see if there's anything I can tweak to help you.
Pressure.
That's what I'm saying! That's what I'm saying! I know! I did that! I did the whole thing!
You're amazing. We did it.
The world's best instructor. That has happened to me one other time.
That's hilarious.
In London, this kid was like, I've been trying kickflips for 6 months and I can't do it. And I said, you can do it. Do it right now. And he landed it and he looked up like, what just happened?
Let me just put this in.
Yeah, just
Knowledge, here's the knowledge.
But
Here you go.
it's true, like if you're telling yourself you can't do it, that makes it harder. If you tell yourself you can, you probably can. Okay, this is exactly how I taught him. The first step to this, it's actually really easy. Your back foot kind of curls around the side of the board and then it shoves straight back, like that.
So this is my back foot.
Oh, that's your back foot?
Yeah, so then it's top side.
Yeah, and then
then-
push back. Literally exactly like that.
Okay.
So then, your front foot is standing on there, and literally all it does is just a little jump. Just the smallest jump. Like that. Wow! Let's go!
Pretty close. Pretty close.
First try.
I think I'm turning my hips a little bit.
Yeah. Nigel's actually the best at this trick.
Let's see it.
Give it to them down to 5.
Where's my board of skates?
So show them how it's done. There you go! One more try. See? That's what I'm saying! Let's go!
Does that count if it didn't leave the ground?
It 100% was perfectly the trick. It was perfect. Okay, you guys did amazing. They really killed it. Can I get one more round?
One more round?
Just one more round of push-ups?
Are we gonna do it right?
Okay.
All right, so you remember the push-up position, right?
Yeah.
Good. Get down to the push-up position.
Okay.
That's not the push-up position! Get in the push-up position! Get in the push-up position! There it is! How does that feel? It feels good! Do a push-up! How many was that? 2! Sounds like 0! 4! 0! 5! 0! Sound off! 8! Sound off! 9! Tell them that you're doing push-ups! How many have you done? Keep going! Push the earth out of its orbit, you! Push! 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 Stand up, you! Stand up! Stand up!
What now?
That's how the Army does it.
I'm not gonna lie, that really helps. It does. It does. If I couldn't land a trick and somebody did that to me, I would land it. I would. I would make it. I would make it happen. I really appreciate you guys coming out.
No, we appreciate you. I appreciate you guys, man. Thank you so much. And yeah, thanks to Mission Volant for having this event and you guys hosting Mission Volant here. This is awesome.
Yeah.
This is so cool.
Go check them out. All of the links will be in the description below. And show some love, show some support.
Happy Veterans Day to everybody.
Awesome.
Thank you. Thank you.
Appreciate you guys.
Of course, of course,
Yeah.
of course.
Hey, thanks, man. Appreciate it. Thanks, bro.
Of course,
All right.
definitely.
Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes, you can learn how to skateboard and you can learn how to skydive. And you can do push-ups. It's healthy, actually.